guys, yesterday I won the soccer game, so I got to go to a fancy nice restaurant, and also today I'm gonna go to Universal Studios. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, we almost up there. Pretty long, almost an hour and a half or something. Well, anyway, there's a lot of traffic here. Well, I do not call it traffic since there's no green light or red lights. Guys, well, we almost there. Almost, but it's really far.
Many minutes later.
At the Hard Rock Hotel, and this hotel is supposed to be sweet. Here I am at Universal Studios, and I'm gonna go to Hard Rock Suites.
VIP room, it should be special. Ready, guys? Let's see. Okay. Marvin, open. That's your room. Here it says do not disturb. Oh, Marvin, your room is cool, dude. Whoa. Look, at night time, on the ceiling, it's so cozy to sleep.
And that looks epic.
Yeah. So you like your room?
Yeah.
Show me that you like it.
I love it. I don't like it. I love it.
Okay, good, because we spend a lot of money to be here. So this room was like $1,300 per night.
Yeah.
You know what? I can sleep in your bed tonight because your room is so soft.
It has 2 beds.
It's 2 beds. Yeah, I can sleep here. Ready to rock?
Yes.
We are the Hard Rock Cafe. We are here to perform. We are happy because we love our room. Come on. I feel good. Da-da-da-da-da. I know that you will. Da-da-da-da-da. Ooh, so good. Ooh, so good. Ooh, I got it here. Da, 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 da.
What are we doing?
All right, thank you guys. Thank you. That was very long. Thank you. So we have to check everything. We should do that, all right? Let's check it out.
Please don't tell us so loud.
Oh, stupid. Naturalized clothing. Oh my gosh, you got style. Hey dude, can I borrow this? Since you're no longer alive, I mean, we can share. What do you think? Okay, no. Okay,
He's not talking, he's dead. Even as that thing, it'll be crazy. Guys, we are at the water park.
Hey Marvin,
Yeah.
what expectations do you have for tonight? I heard you're going to meet the Grinch.
I think it's gonna be awesome.
I mean, he just tried to steal your Christmas the other day in the other video.
Yeah.
How are you going to handle him today?
Good.
It's going to be good. I heard heard he has his dog Max there too.
Yeah.
But that is not his dog, is it? Is it like a person by itself?
We have a dog named Max too.
And I heard some rumor that that is Max.
What is?
He's the one playing the role of Max with the Grinch.
Yep.
I might be wrong. Never know.
Yep.
We'll see.
Yep, definitely.
Key, how do we get in?
Yeah.
I do not want to go down and gotcha.
Look at the ceiling, guys, in Marvin's room.
Yeah, in the suite.
In Marvin's Rockstar suite.
Look at this joke, man. These jokes.
You wanted pizza?
Oh my gosh, this looks
Good night, pumpkin.
good night.